So today we'll be installing some new headlights. Let's go. Fat minute that I've been able to work on this car. And I hit a possum and it broke my lip. Easy fix. We're gonna be changing these because I snagged up a good deal. Let's go look at them. Sorry for the mess, but look at these. Ain't these tough right here? Look at that. Ooh. Actually never installed headlights on a Mercedes, so I gotta YouTube it real quick. Oh hell no, I gotta take off the whole bumper. Let's do this another day. All right. I don't know if you guys know, this was supposed to be a good project, but we got it yesterday and it's already sold. It's not that bad. But back to the real subject. To take off these headlights, you have to remove the bumper. It's kind of stupid. And you gotta take off the wheels. It's a bunch of stuff and a bunch of clips. But let's go ahead and do it. So once you remove the bumper, you are gonna need to remove this bolt and this bolt exactly right here. Ooh, buddy, before you even try to do anything, we plugged it up. I gotta see if it turns on, see how it looks. Right side. See, go ahead. Ooh, buddy. That looks good. All right, now for the cinematic roll. And just like that, this is how it looks. Pretty good. See you guys in the next video.